Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Anuradha Sinha, your maths teacher, is ready to begin your maths class. But you know what is very interesting in today's class? That from today onwards, we would start our revision work. We have completed all the chapters that are coming in the first terminal examination. You all are aware of this fact that in the first term that will be held in the month of September, dates have not come yet. As soon as the dates would arrive, I will send you the dates in the group. But we don't need to wait for the dates to arrive. We need to prepare ourselves beforehand. डेट्स के इंतज़ार में पढ़ाई को रोकना नहीं है. डेट शीट आएगा, आते साथ मैं उसे ग्रुप में डालूँगी. आप सबको पता चल जाएगा कि एग्ज़ाम कब से है. पर उसके पहले अभी कुछ दिन और वेट कीजिए. सिलेबस आएगा जो कि ग्रुप में जाएगा, जिससे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कौन कौन से चैप्टर्स आ रहे हैं एग्ज़ाम में. बट उसके पहले जो चैप्टर्स we have already completed, we will start with the revision of those chapters so that you don't forget what you have done till now. So it's very important part of study. Revision makes you refresh your memory. Whatever you have done, whatever you have learned, you get in touch with all those and you don't forget that. So let's begin. Today we would be revising the first 4 pages of numbers till 100. This is the first chapter and we would be revising the first 4 pages of it. Okay, so let us begin. What is the first part? Insert the missing numbers. In this you have to write the numbers that are missing. So 47 after is 48. 49 after is 50. 50 after is 51, which is already given, and 51 after is 52. 53 after is 54. 55 after is 56. Okay, you can even write here 57, but I think no need to write because very less space is there, so leave it till 56 only. Okay, then come to the next one. You have to fill the missing numbers here also, but in this one they have not given you the first number. पहला नंबर रहता तब तो आप उसके बाद वाले नंबर को लिखते, पर पहला नंबर तो उन्होंने दिया ही नहीं है. तब क्या करेंगे? 68 is given. What you need to do is you will write the number which comes before 68. 68 के पहले जो नंबर आता है आप उसे लिख दें. 68 before is 67. 67 के पहले जो नंबर आता है आप उसे लिख दीजिए. 67 before is 66. Okay, after 68 what number comes? After 68 the number that comes is 69. After 69 what is the next number? The next number is 70. After 70, 71 is already given, so after 71 is 72, and then after 72 is 73. Next one is 19. So after 19 the next number is 20. After 20 the next number is 21. After 21, 22 is already given. After 22 the next number is 23. After 23 the next number is 24. Okay, so this way you have to do all that. Now this page already you have done. You don't need to do it again. I am revising these numbers so that you come to know everything once again. कुछ चीज़ें जो आप भूल गए हों, समझ में नहीं आया हो, या याद ठीक से उस चीज़ को नहीं देखे हों, उस चीज़ को फिर से समझ लें. इसलिए फिर से इसे रिवाइज कर दे रही हूँ. Now the remaining numbers are also like that. So whenever this type of question comes, insert the missing numbers. You have to write the numbers this way. Now come to the second page. In second page, what is given? What number does the abacus show? Write the number in the box. One abacus will be given to you. Ones rod, tens rod would be there. The beads would be given on ones and tens rod. Counting the number of beads on the ones and tens rod, you will write here how many beads are there in ones rod, how many beads are there in tens rod, and then finally you will write the number in the box. Okay, so let us begin. In the ones rod, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 ones. In the tens rod, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tens. So what is the number that you are going to write? 4 tens means 40, 40 40, and 3 ones means 3. That is 40 plus 3 is 43. Or simply 4 tens you will write here 4, and after that 3 ones you will write here 3, 43. Now come to the second one. Again an abacus is given here, where you are having the ones rod, you are having the tens rod, you are having beads here. So count the number of beads first. In the tens place, how many beads you are having? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are having 4 beads. So that would be 4 tens. In the ones place, how many beads are there? In the ones place, you are having 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 beads you are having in the ones place. So what is the number that you are having here? 4 tens plus 4 ones. 4 tens means 40, 40 40, plus 4. 40 plus 4, that comes to 44. Or simply from here 4 you will write here 4, and from here 4 you will write here 4. That would come to 44. Next one, again an abacus is given, where tens rod, ones rod is there, and beads are there in their respective rods. क्या करना है आपको? पहले beads count कर लें. tens rod में 2 beads है, so you will write here 2 tens. ones rod में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads हैं, तो लिखिए 5 ones. 2 tens here means 20. 5 ones here means 5. So 20 plus 5 is how much? 20 plus 5 is 25. Okay, so this is the second part of revision, where abacus will be given to you. You will have to count the number of beads, then you will write the number here. Okay, first write how many tens, how many ones, and finally the number. Then come to the next part. You have to write the number names, that is write in words. In simple terms, write in words, या फिर इसे हम ये कह सकते हैं कि नंबर नेम्स लिखिए. तो अगर क्वेश्चन किसी भी फॉर्म में आए, इफ द क्वेश्चन कम्स write the number names, or the question comes write in words, whatever may be the question, the type of question, आपको लिखना उसका स्पेलिंग है. इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखेंगे कि नंबर नेम्स बोले या राइट इन वर्ड्स बोले, आपको यहाँ पर क्या लिखना है, जो नंबर दिया रहे उसका स्पेलिंग लिखना है. सो 98 you will write the spelling. For this it's very necessary for all of you to remember the spelling from 1 to 100. 1 से लेके 100 तक स्पेलिंग आपको आनी चाहिए, ताकि कोई भी स्पेलिंग बोला जाए लिखने, आप उसे लिख सकें. 98, you will write the spelling of 98. Then comes 74. You will write here 70, SEVENTY, 70, FOUR, where you have to remember that the first letter that you are writing should be capital letter. इस चीज़ का ध्यान जरूर देंगे कि जो फर्स्ट लेटर आप लिख रहे हैं वह कैपिटल लेटर होना चाहिए. Then this is 60, so you will write here SIXTY, 60. Then here it's 22, so you will write here TWENTY, 20, TWO, 2. So this is the revision of write-in words or the number names. And finally, the fourth page. This is a very interesting page where after, before, between has to be written by you. देखिए कितने सारे कैट्स हैं इसमें और इन कैट्स के अंदर ही आपका नंबर छुपा हुआ है. आफ्टर 19, 3 नंबर्स दिए गए हैं. 19 के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? व्हाट वुड बी द नेक्स्ट नंबर? दैट वुड बी 20. बिफोर 31, 31 के पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा? दैट इज 30. सो राइट हियर 30. बिटवीन 49 एंड 51, 49 और 51 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? दैट वुड बी 50. सो वी हैव डन दिस. नाउ अगेन कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. बिफोर 28, 3 numbers are given to you. 27, 83, 29. बताना है कि 28 के पहले क्या होता है? Before 28, what is the number that you have? That is 27. Between 70 and 72, 70 और 72 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? Is it 69, 73 और 71? 70 और 72 के बीच में जो नंबर आता है दैट इज 71. सो 70, 71, 72. नेक्स्ट इज आफ्टर 60. 60 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? द नंबर दैट कम्स आफ्टर 60 इज 61. 3 numbers are given, 61, 59 and 70. The correct answer is 61. Now with this we have completed the revision of the first 4 pages. Okay, that is page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4. After going through this video, I would be sending you one revision sheet. You will complete that revision sheet and then you will send it to me. Okay, पहले आप इस वीडियो को बहुत ध्यान से देखें, इसको बढ़िया से समझें. इसके बाद मैं एक रिवीजन शीट भेजूंगी, आप उसे फिल करेंगे और फिर मुझे भेजेंगे. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स एनीवेयर, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो so that I can clear your doubts. Thank you.